How to fix Honor Magic 7 screen flickering issue. So let's start the video. First of all, restart your device. For restart your device, press and hold power button and then click on restart. After restart your device, then turn off auto brightness, then open settings and click on display and brightness. And here you can see the option auto switch. If you turn this button on, then turn it off. After turning off auto switch, then go back to the main page of your settings and then scroll down and click on system updates and then click on reset. On top you can see the option reset all settings. Now click on reset all settings and then again click on reset all settings. After that, go back and click on software update. Now here you can check your latest version will be updated or not. If it doesn't update the latest version, then update it to latest version. After that, your problem will be fixed. Thanks for watching this video.